Evaluate integrates to bracket open 2x minus 3 2 over 3 dx. So in this case here, say solution in solving this here, we'll make, so take this here 2x minus 3, so let this be equal to u should be equal to 2x minus 3, so we can say du dx is equal to differentiating this. Now in differentiating, if you have okay, let's say we have ax, so we are differentiating this dx, differentiating this ax dx is going to be equal to, so let's say there is n here, it's going to be n ax n minus 1. So this is the formula for that. So in this case you will apply that, take 2x, this is 2x, there is raised to power 1 here, so in this case it's going to be 2 times 1, 2x 1 minus 1, then minus the constant is 0. So here we have du dx is equal to 2 because 1 minus 1 is 0. So let's make it clear 2. So this du dx is equal to just 2. So we've taken this here, so we can now substitute. We have u and we can, okay, let's make dx subject to the formula. So here, making dx subject to the formula, we have dx is equal to du over 2 cross multiplying, make dx subject to the formula. So we can now go into solving. So this can now look this way, evaluating to, so evaluating to, this is u, so put our u value there, 2 over 3, and dx is du over 2. So in this case here, 2 is going to eliminate 2 here, so we are only integrating u 2 over 3 du, and to do that we are going to just add 1. So this is going to be equal to u 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2 over 3 plus 1, so plus our constant. So if we solve this as fraction, let's solve this now as fraction. 2 over 3 plus 1, the LCM is 3, it will be 2 plus 1, 2 plus, here is 3, 2 plus 3, sorry, 5 over 3. So put this value there, this will be u 5 over 3. I can change this sign to be division sign, divided by 5 over 3. So if we change this u 5 over 3, change it to multiplication sign, the 3 goes up, 3 over 5. So our final answer is 3u over 5 over 3. So we can now substitute our u value back from here. Our u is 2x minus 3, so let's put it back. So we are putting it back, so this is going to be 2x minus 3, 5 over 3 over 5 plus c. So that's the answer.